Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Mehndi Love. Do you want a darker stain nails? Then watch till the end and subscribe my channel and I'll tell you the secrets. So first of all, here we're gonna use our sellotapes to cover the other surfaces near our nails. So first wrap around the bottom part of our nail according to the shape of the nail, so that whenever we are using that henna paste, if it just goes out of the nail also, when we remove these tapes, the henna will be just inside our nails itself. And just continue doing this near the four outer walls of our nail and in our five fingers also. Then it would be better to remove or push the cuticles and remove all the dead skin from the nail like we used to do before a nail polish or in a pedicure, so that our result will be more better. Now I almost finished covering up my five fingers, and now let's do the mehndi. Just take the cone and fill in the space between all the sellotapes. If it being some irregular or something also, it doesn't matter because we have already covered up the outer surface of the nail, so automatically when the tapes are removed, the excess will also be removed and we will get a perfect henna nail. Then you guys would be wondering that it's just simple, just take the cone and just put some mehndi in your nail. Why should we do this much work? Why should you use a cello tape and all? It's all time consuming and all. If you want a perfect nail and if you want it fully dark with good stains, etc., only covering your nails, not in the outer surface, etc., then you have to do take some time, follow the steps and do it. Now I have completed hennaing my nails, and now I'm taking a lemon juice with the help of a paintbrush. I'm going to place that lemon juice in our henna, and it is for more darker stains. Just paint using those lemon juice onto your nails, and make sure that while doing this the henna don't spread around and make a big mess, and try to do it in a perfect way as you can. And it doesn't matter if it is a big mess, because when we take off the sellotape everything will be fine. So we are almost done with placing the lemon juice on our henna piece. Now let's wrap our nails, and for that I am using our regular cello tapes. If you have tapes for wrapping henna like the ones we use with our designs, then it is also perfect, and if you don't have that, just use our regular cello tapes. We are doing this so that the hennas is just in those places and it won't go away. And usually when we walk, etc., we used to hit our hand somewhere, and there is a huge chance for the henna from our nails to just go away. So it is a better method to use this way. Here we almost finished the first stage, and keep the henna paste for at least 2 hours and keep it undisturbed. And here I couldn't do that much time I couldn't place, but it's still okay now. And I'm going to remove our sellotapes. Just remove that sellotape and clean the excess using a earbud or a wet cloth, not that wet but a kind of wet cloth, and remove the excess with your hand. And if it is correctly dried, then it would be very easy to remove. Now I have removed all the henna from my fingers, and this is coconut oil. You can use any other oil as you like and which is available with you. And again take a paintbrush and coat it with oil and just put on your nails. This is for the long lasting stain, and when we place this oil into our nails, we are preventing the nails, that is the henna stains, from contacting the water, which helps us get a bigger or a darker stain. Keep it like that as much as time you can, and repeat this process for at least 3 days to get a bigger or a darker stain. And this is my end result. I hope you like my video. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you.